Hi guys, so it's Friday and we're going to hard wine. Yes, we're going out again because soca season is in. What am I going to say? Because soca season is in. Because soca season is in. Because soca season is in. I don't remember. Is upon us. Soca season is upon us. So we have to go to soca parties, you know? Yes, so we're going to take our shots and we're going to head out. I like your colleague taxi already? You can call it. Guys, me let out my hair again. So me do that little baby hair someday. So, outfit of the night? Nah. You can't bring it. You can't bring it. It shots them come, guys. So, guys, guess what we shot in? Johnny Walker. And if you watch the Who's Most Likely to Talk, then you know that Johnny Walker and I are not friends.
Oh, my goodness.
I want to you. You look out of it tonight. Why? You good? You sure?
This can just never nice.
I'm recover.
So getting some things, so if you lose the things, then just make sure you come link with. In the meantime, ladies, I'm asking you to do me a personal favor. This when you dance, just make sure you own your wine from, because there's a young lady here who apparently somebody wine on her and take out her purse and her phone and her car key. See? So, ladies, I beg you, please, right now, you enjoy yourself. If you don't know the youth where you dance beside of the wine pan, run him. When you sit down, when you sit down, when you sit down, down pan me when you got down pan me when you got down pan me when you got down pan me. Take your time, anybody, darling. Not at the 6:30 because you're fucking up, man. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Everybody gonna be one for touch you. Everybody gonna know side me love you. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey.
Right here alongside DJ Kurt Riley.
Ladies.
Kurt Riley, run the track, come on. Run it, work it up, yeah.
People, are you?
Give them a run, John. Give them a run. Give them a run. We are the club of on board. Give them a run. Give them a run. Give them a run. We are the club of. I've seen love dance before, yeah, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've seen love dance before, yeah, but I don't wanna come top the list.
So guys, it's Saturday. We never really do much today. We're staying tonight and finish up Rajni project. Not project. Project. Yeah, so we just come off our road. We just gonna get something to eat. I'm not even gonna show you what we are eating right now.
I feel like we deserve this.
Today I will cheat day. 10 wings, guys. 10.
You buy 10 wings? I've never seen you buy 10 wings before.
Oh, I'm sorry. And yes, Dominic, me know you see me I buy my wings them, so me not even gonna hide it. I hopefully she watch them. But she not watch them. Anyways. Yeah, and Dija is sing and me alone I indulge in a badness. If David ever see me. Alec gone with your friend name. I know, right? I'm Rajni eats Chinese. What happened? So guys, I just get me hot dog when I did a crave for hold on. You can see that. I'm excited. I mean, I cook dinner. I left my dinner to cook. With Dija, and like hopefully they're not burning. I cook stew peas, by the way. Yes, I'm gonna just devour this right now. Yo. And I'm always look for myself. Alright guys. Hey guys. Midnight stuffings. Thanks to Alec. Woo! Jesus Christ.
And our mink, according to Tina.
No time would take you up. Anyway, the job would take you up.
So guys, it's Sunday night, well technically Monday. Like probably after 12 now. Yeah.
About 12:30.
12:30. We're watching this series called Quantico.
We just found it on Netflix.
Yeah.
Sasha, big up yourself. Your next week's out.
And we're stuff for facing cupcakes, guys.
Red velvet. Red velvet. From Heaven Sent. Yeah?
So yeah. That's what we're up to. See you guys tomorrow.
Huh? Yeah guys, so I'm just come out of one stirring match with one guy. I guess you don't wonder what the hell me I do. So I'm at the supermarket again. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get some for cook. And if you can't tell me, I really like the supermarket. I do. It's my favorite place. I don't know what else to get yet, so. And guys, may I buy ice cream? I need ice cream in my life. Say hi. Filming a video at whatever time it is. Like one. And we'll watch Gifted Hands too.
You would be in the kitchen doing dishes after dinner.
By the time you see the video will go up anyway, so.
Yes, we did.
And I'm pretty sure y'all have watched it.
Looking at her. Rock and roll boys.
Oh,
Paradise,
yeah,
an
nice.
engineer, you a doctor.
Hi guys. So, me know me in the same outfit like yesterday, but whatever. Me about to get me the sapling. And me about to get my turmeric soap. From Morgan's Creek, so I'm walking there right now.
Let me one belt.
Say hi.
Hey! So me
Show
tell
them
you straight
your
out of
shoes.
slavery. Catch on the sleeve.
Nobody drop it in there.
Style big.
Fussy.
You don't have no style of dressing.
You
you
have
just-
one style.
Yeah, a tighty one.
Okay, you have one bag of clothes, miss.
Oh, straight out of slavery. Me sure one belt. Go for one belt, none is on.
No, babe.
That shot.
You can fix the color. It's short, you know, Jitina?
You sure?
It's short, you're free. Listen, look what she did. Take off her
It's not
clothes.
short.
Turn on the back. Alright, you know, look that
You know, short, but you see when you get the belt now, because you know me have to belt my things, you know. Show me, straight out of slavery. Wait, me excited. Your ring light, not true?
On the camera.
Me not have it.
Me know.
What me not do what?
Me no know.
Right, the skirt though.
Thanks. You know like the shoes, me just buy them. Me just get one, me just get it.
I like her shoes, guys.
Nail polish. You want polish though? You can't give me one penny? Come, Dija, let me take off this, please.
Jutina said, once we reach the...
Yeah, once you reach 1,000, man. My name is on the channel, but I feel like me and Alec have right to the channel, right, Alec?
I feel so too. Alright, Alex.
Chicky! Chicky, you hear me? So I feel like me and you have right to the channel. You don't feel so?
We're the ones that have spin-off shows and stuff.
Yeah, me feel like we have right.
Right. Yeah, me said it last week. I watched a message in his and say like, why me still watch this? I feel like we stop because Shonda do it wrong.
I'm not Shonda, Peter now walk.
Well, Peter do it wrong. Thumbs up if you guys watch How to Get Away with Murder.
I know, may I stop after this season though, in real life. Why? Because West now in a show, we watch a show for West. And
I feel so incomplete. Like.
Yeah, Annalise. Watch it for Annalise, but if West not in there, then it just know. Oh, Nizam, you can watch what you want on Netflix now. Me think me did that on the why?
So guys, we feel like every time we vlog up on the couch today. Look who we have here. Dija, number one, the real one, and then the fake one over there. So say hi. Oh,
Lord, come up bed. No,
you're lucky. We're watching Are You the One? And we're just fine out say. Watch you?
I see Alicia and Ed go sneaking off at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
You're lying.
Are you kidding me? After them people just get them good perfect match?
Then the machine is there. The machine
I think right now, Alicia is like pretty much backstabbing.
She trifling. That bitch the trifling. Could they? No, them I go bust them.
When I went to the kitchen and the bathroom, they were nowhere to be found. Once you see that perfect match on the screen and you're still making moves, that's when you stepped into my territory.
Are you kidding me?
The right one.
Me can't believe this.
You don't.
Guys, if you don't watch Are You the One, you guys should start watching it. It's really interesting.
Oh my god, they will have sex right now. Sex. Wow.
I guess this is him. You don't know if we're gonna get locked down.
She was like, she's going to kill me.
I feel like she fi beat the bitch. Unless he would have drip her up.
And you say
I
I'm
kiss
friend.
Teddy. You kiss her.
I know what I tell people.
I feel like she fi beat her.
10 other guys in this house.
I'm vexed, guys. I'm really upset.
But like you
Oh guys, me change my septum ring and my nose ring.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's not that genuine though.
Me kinda did miss the ring here though. You want to say nothing, Dija? You want to say anything?
What was the point of that conversation? What was the point of that conversation?
You be trying to hurry.
No. But listen, you know what I'm playing.
And we do nails today, guys. Show them your nails. Nails by Tickers.
You do what best friends do.
They're nice. They're really nice.
Like hella messed up. Who should you really be trying to get to know? Once that
So,
perfect match.
she still don't know, so they have sex?
No, she just think them kiss.
Oh.
That's enjoyment.
No, the last day in the house, I want to turn up when I have fun. I want to talk to you about the last time.
That's crazy.
I mean, if it is,
Anyways, guys.
We'll be
We're
back
I didn't take into consideration
We'll
that
be
Alicia and Cameron best friends.
tonight. Soon come back. We'll finish watching.
Caroline Dillon at the end of the day.
Me look so ugly. Like my face look fat.
I don't care about if y'all were talking or not.
You look fat, yes.
It look fat, but me not get fat. Me not
When the
understand.
screen says perfect match, like what part do you not
Oh, guys, we're gonna work out this week.
What part do you not comprehend?
Just because.
Me not stop.
Me not, you know, yeah, go stop.
I want to get fat.
I just don't feel motivated. I never feel no kind of motivation this week. I never want to leave my house this week. I never want to go away.
Being halfway through the process and finally getting the perfect match, it gives the house confidence. Like, hey, y'all, we play well hard.
We'll be back though.
Someone that compliments you and bring out the best in you.
You're good? You sure? I say go when you're YouTubers and you have YouTuber friends. I want she cover up so. What? What you say? What you say? You're not going to bed? You're not going to bed? So guys, we have one full-blown sleepover. Full-blown. I know we're not sleep. At what time?
What time? 5:25.
5:25. That one you knock out couple times, you know, not she. That the fraud DJ. The one way name DJ but not really. Me I get tired now. Me know me I can sleep out the day.
Me have work to do, so me not sleep. But me I sleep half the day. Me have school to do.
I still can't get over my nails. That one is my favorite though. Hi guys. We're supposed to turn off the music. Oh. Hey girl, I tell you that the lip service DJ over here trying on clothes to wear tonight.
Not this DJ, the other DJ.
The fake one.
What is?
The DJ with the E. It's valid, but you know valid, you know. Let me see it. Let me see it.
That's
yeah,
cute.
that's nice.
I like that.
More than one you wear, but me feel like if you wear got whatever it is. So we are going tonight.
It's gonna be lit.
I want out tonight for you.
I don't know, just drop on my face. Just drop out my blanket. The mink.
The mink.
So yeah, we're going out. Jutina,
We are trying to get Jutina and Olana to come. We still not meet Olana. Can you believe that? Yeah, we are trying to get one of two friends to come. So we can just go. So what we are planning to do, we are going to one party and then we are going to strip club. Guys, me hate this strip club. Me fucking hate strip clubs. But this bitch wants to go to the strip club, so we're going to try to compromise. We met Yan 2 times so. Yeah guys, me still at top 1 my nails. Me feel like myself again, like me feel really complete. Like Nizam is back. Beach. Why? So last night me video call my father and my father go tell me how my bedspread look like school uniform.
You look like
Wilmore prep. You know what that school is, Santa?
it look like uniform me and Kimala used to wear go prep school.
So me used to wear one uniform like this, you know, but a red and white. My father say your bedspread look like uniform. Me don't know what me I do to my hair. What you doing to my hair, DJ?
Hey guys, so I feel like it's fun, so so we're ready. It's like 12 something. We're late.
Not really, but
Kinda, because we tell Alana so we're ready by 11:30 and after 12 no. Sorry Alana. You guys will finally get to meet Alana. So we got the fake DJ right here. Where's she gone? DJ number 2. Nizam put on her sandals. Alex not coming with us tonight. It's just us girls. We're asking for drop. Sir, we are come. By the time you don't run, so you can't stand up in every heels. Oh God. Guys, Dija. Dija, a piece of the vlog. Dija, say hi. How are you there? Alright. Camera ready now, so.
Hey.
No, she's like Tommy's drunk. Who? Tommy, no fool.
Tom drunk, but Tom drunk.
The fact say you have to say that means that you're rascal at drunk, bitch.
Hold on, in
Kupa me hot girlfriend. Olana.
Hey, sis. Yes, Alana not here to fuck right now.
Yes, sis. Our DJ there. No man, DJ going back at Kingston tonight. It's like you couldn't wait for Bruk out, bitch.